Would you like to know how to earn your money online by just using 3 simple platforms? Well, if the answer is yes, you are in the right place because today I'm going to be presenting to you how you can just use google.com and as well mindsumo.com and quillbot.com just to start earning money online from hundreds of dollars up to thousands of dollars per answering questions. Today I'm going to be presenting this thing step by step, so if you want to have the same amount of money that I'm highlighting right over here or to have even more, you will have to watch this video till the very end of it, not interrupt it, because otherwise you will just get confused and not know what to do. As well, this kind of strategy, since it's going to use Google, it's going to be working worldwide and it's going to be included every place that you may be thinking of. You don't need any previous experience or stuff like that because this is going to be working even for beginners. It is an easy strategy and everyone can put it on work. You just need your device, an internet connection on it, so you can start searching for this kind of platforms and start working with that so you can have amounts of money online. You can make a dime and receiving these by answering questions. Don't forget that if you like what you're watching, you will have to give a big thumb up to the video below, subscribe to the channel and push the notifications on so you can get notified at any time that we are going to post. The very first thing that you will have to do is to go to google.com and to search for mindsumo.com, and after that to go to their main page and get directed into their main dashboard. This is mindsumo.com, and here you are going to find out some of the best challenges which are going to pay you different amounts of money. So this one right over here is starting from $1,600 per completing or per answering different questions. But if you scroll between of them, you will find as well more getting paid per just clicking or per answering to this kind of questions. As well, you will be able to have different challenges from different categories like business, for example, like engineering, like as well computer science, food science, math science, and so which one of them you choose, they will just get you directed to their main page where you will have to choose between of them and for sure to start getting paid per completing this kind of questions. Well, once that you are into mindsumo.com, you can have more information if you click to what do we do, so they give you more detailed information about the kind of challenges they bring to you, the way that they launch the challenges, and as well the strength in numbers. Here you will find out the universities that MindSumo problem has solved, after that the challenges that it has hosted, the vetted ideas, the fastest that traditional ideation services, and as well the fortune customer already using this platform, and the concept pursued it per challenge. What they do it easier for you to start earning money with 3 simple steps. So the very first one is framing the challenges, after that to launch the challenges, and for sure the third one is to resolve. So once that they have launched the challenges, you can choose between of them, start solving and getting paid per doing so. They give you 2 opportunities. You can be working here as a company, so you can launch your own project and get your own ideas to bring here, or you can share your ideas and earn cash per doing so, working as a problem solver. This is what we're going to be doing here today. So for those of you who are like skeptic or want to know more about the platform, if it is verified or not, you can go to Trustpilot to search for that. But as well, you can see that this platform, it has got delivered innovative ideas to the world's top brand, which it makes this platform 100% legit, secured and verified, since it has it gets supported by Deloitte, Pepsi, Microsoft, Spotify, Nestle, Johnson, Delta, Adidas, Coca-Cola, Facebook, IBM. So all of these platforms that you may be seeing right over here, brands worldwide are using this platform to do different challenges and to have different innovative ideas. So it makes this one thing 100% secured, so you don't need really to worry about the scam thing. Now that you are right over here, click into I'm a problem solver, so you're going to get directed right over here where you will find out more information about the platform, more detailed one, and after that just click into login and sign up so you can create your own new account into this platform. Well, once that you are into login and signing up, you will have to fill your information as always, but they are going to give you some other information which you will have to choose between of them. Into creativity skills, choose average proficiency, so they will give you some average questionnaires or challenges. And after that, since you have started the very first time into this platform, that's why you will choose average. And after that, they will make you some other question about why did you choose the platform, the marketing skills do you have, and the technical skills as well. At the why did you choose this platform, you can be typing something like I'm a problem solver, or I like solving problems, so I want to challenge myself and to see myself in the future, maybe technologies or products or other stuff that you would like to share here. What you are interested in, it is into computer and technologies, and if they, after completing all of this, ask you for a reference, for sure you will just click their Better Personal Growth, because today you are referred, thanks to this video, to the platform. Once that you have completed all of these, click into the boxes right over here, so you have to accept their terms and condition and the privacy policy, and if you want to get notified at any time, you may be just ticking all of these. Complete the CAPTCHA and sign up totally for free, so you can start choosing between of the challenges that they give to you. In my example today, I have chosen humanity and arts, and after that I've chosen one of these challenges. If I complete this one, I'm going to get paid $160 per completing it. You can see as well the winners that I have got paid online thanks to the platform right over here. And after that, you will have to submit your questions. Well, no worries guys, for those of you who don't know the answer of the question or don't know if they can answer or not, no worries. I have this bonus tip, and I promise you that thanks to the 3 platforms, you are going to get paid even though that you don't know the question or stuff like that. So if you have these questions and you don't know what to give an answer to that, okay, I'm just getting this as an example, and you are going to just copy it and go to Google and search for the same question that you just got right over there. You will have different answers right over here, and what you're going to be doing is just to choose one of them and copy them again and go to the 3rd platform called Quillbot.com. Into Quillbot.com, you can paste here the question or the answer of the question, and you can make a paraphrasing of it. Quillbot.com and all the other platforms are going to be working for you totally for free. So once that you did that, once that you got to Google and found your answer, come to Quillbot, paste it right over here, and the paraphrase text is going to be in the other part or in the other side of the platform. Copy it again and get back to the questionnaire and paste it right over here. For sure, for those of you who like to give a more professional answer, go to google.com and again search for Google Docs. Here you can create a new doc, and thanks to Quillbot.com and the paragraph that they are going to give to you, you can copy it, come to Google Docs that you have created, paste it right there, and add things that you will like to add more to the platform or to the question that you are going to give into it. Once that you have did all of this, you will just submit your answer, and after that, if the answer is right, you are going to earn from thousands of dollars to more and more if you answer to different challenges that they are going to get to offer to you. So thanks to MindSumo.com, thanks to Google.com, and as well Quillbot.com, you are going to make this strategy work if you follow every single step that I shared with you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and push notifications on.